like it's land. Check out this fiddle leaf fig. It's massive, and this is a small one. The other plant I like a lot here are these fishtail palms. Pretty pretty. But these are very common houseplants, and they just thrive here in the Dominican. This large tropical is a white bird of paradise. At my house it's tiny, but maybe someday she'll grow nice and tall just like these. They're beautiful, and I haven't really seen the white ones in the wild before. Not that we're really in the wild, but is this what I think it is? Is this a pothos that's variegated? At first I thought for sure it was a philodendron, but I think it's just a massive variegated pothos.
Hi. So we just got back from a day in Oakley. We went to a coffee and cacao farm.
And everything in between.
Everything. we got to see how cigars are rolled up. We got to.
I have one.
Yeah. What else did we do? We did so much today. Like my brain. We went through a market. We went to an art shop. We did so much.
We don't smoke, but I got to wrap this in the white leaf, and the cool thing about the cigars is that every bit of it is plants. So I mean, it's nicotine in the leaves and stuff, and we might just hang on to this and frame it or something. We got some coffee from the farm.
Can't wait to have some of that. Did we get cocoa too?
We got cocoa as well, so we can make hot chocolate when it gets chilly back home. Yeah. Chilly, I know.
Going to Oakley was also just kind of really eye-opening, getting to see a lot of what the Dominican Republic is kind of all about. So it was a super eye-opening day.
We definitely did some off the beaten trail feeling things. We went to their market, which was interesting to see, and also found out that they get water released, I believe, to their homes twice a month. Otherwise, there are drivers with big water tanks that drive around to give you water for your showers, and they have to pay for it.
Yeah.
It's like $1 for 2 gallons or something, or 2 buckets or something like that. But that was really interesting. Not other than their water catchment, if it's not raining a lot, they don't have the same type of plumbing that we do back home. So thought that was really interesting. Something we got to learn. But I think definitely the farm was the highlight of the day.
Easily.
It plants, you guys, plants.
it opened the idea that Tina, I think, is already going to invest in a couple coffee trees. What else you wanted to?
Coffee, tea, but that was already on my docket,
yeah.
And vanilla, which I had never seen that grow before. I knew that vanilla was vanilla beans.
It's a vine, right?
It's a vine that grows on other trees, much like a monstera, I believe. But she did call it a parasite, like a parasitic tree.
Yeah.
Or plant, which makes sense because all of its little aerial roots are growing onto the tree that it was growing onto. But very interesting. We learned a lot. It was really cool. Did we get some answers to the questions?
We did. I thought
flavor stuff?
The flavor stuff, I think we talked about a little bit, but the flavor is always added kind of after the coffee beans are roasted. So that
Are they cute?
Yeah, she said they roast them and then add the flavor. Or as they're roasting them, they are adding the flavor. One of those two things. Don't quote me on it. So maybe we didn't get answers.
Cut that off. Good.
So it's opening some really cool avenues that we're excited about, and we'll keep you along with the adventure. Make sure you guys are following Sun and Soil to really kind of get a full look at everything Tina's doing when it comes to the garden, and just keep following our journeys. We're gonna enjoy the rest of this week here in the DR. Well, make sure you guys follow along for more of our adventures. We're gonna enjoy our time here in the DR. We have been due for a vacation, and this has been
vacation. We're still working because we love you so much.
But we've needed this, and it's been super fun so far, and we have a lot of really cool stuff ahead. And be ready for a lot more activities when we get back home. Back to some Twitch streaming. Back to some. I'm going to be building my bag. We're going to be doing so much, and whatever you guys want to see from us,
let us know in the comments.
Yeah, please.
We are very perceptive.
Yeah. I have a series that I think we are going to try and pass on to other disc golf YouTubers to see what they can do. I'm going to work on that with Zach Benson, so stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for some more Battle at Hitsman. Stay tuned for a Building the Bag series. Stay tuned for Tina being amazing, so just follow her along. She's the best human ever.
Follow her along.
Follow her along.
That's your thing.
Yeah.
That's your accidental thing.
Yeah, whatever.
Follow us along, y'all. Thank you for being here. We love you. Yeah. And cheers.
Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.
Well, so much for our vlog, huh?
Yeah.
Lots of B-roll because we did a lot of stuff and we didn't talk that much. We're in line now.
Going home.
COVID's annoying. COVID wasted a lot of our time despite being vaccinated, but we did get a little lucky because they changed a bunch of rules that will start tomorrow. Not the biggest deal. We would have been fine either way, I think. But we're about to go home. Not super stoked to go home, but also it'll be nice to get back to the cats, do normal life.
Plants.
And Eric is itching to throw frisbees.
Can't wait.
He's so excited.
It's gonna be so much fun.